Hey, this is the DIY Magician again. I'm here with another fun afternoon project. That's right, a bird bath. Hang tight. All right, let's say you have a handful of old candlesticks and a handful of old metal decorative items. What are you going to do with those? Make a bird bath. That's right. It's super simple and easy to do. In fact, most candlesticks are not one solid piece like you might think they are. They're actually different individual pieces threaded together. Now this one here, look at that. The top comes off just like so. And everything else is basically threaded on a little rod. And in fact, the way it works is the bottom is threaded on as well. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're probably going to leave that on there. That'll be threaded on. It'll be nice and tight. Okay? You're going to put your item on, and I'm just throwing this out. This is the base of a lamp, but this just perfect timing for that. So that goes on there. Okay, and then you're going to put your center rod just through like that. That's the candlestick part there. Okay, that goes on there like so, locks into place, and then you're going to put your cover on it. Okay, and I'm just going to throw this out as an example. Okay, because you'd have to remove this, of course, and put this part here threaded on. So you want to make sure that you have enough space to go through this little piece of material here, whatever it is, and then you're going to just thread it right back on like that, and it clamps it down. So you've got your middle part here, you've got the way to clamp it down, everything's ready to go. In fact, I've done it with different things. You can do it with an old butter dish, just like this. Be the same thing. It would be top and bottom, and then the post in the middle. And here's the final product here. This is an old cigarette or cigar or whatever ashtray, and another ashtray here, and then I've got the candlestick in the middle. Now I didn't have a way to tighten it down on the top, so I used this old door or drawer knob right there, but there it is, and it's actually going to just sit right down flat on something. So you could put this on a post or anything outdoors, and because it's a bird bath, you don't have to worry about the overhang very much. They put the water in here and they come in and bathe there. Now, if you want to make a bird bath, you might as well go all out and make a bird bath. That's right. There's the little bathtub, decorative bathtub, and your candle holder there. And this looks like some sort of decorative bowl. I thought that would be nice to actually make a bird bath. There it is. The DIY Magician bird bath project. Thank you very much for those of you who have been with us before. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for all the up-to-date videos as they come out. Thank you again.